Hi, this is Miss Keys. This is number 13 from the Congruent Triangles review packet. So the problem says, given triangle GHI, circle any triangle, it could be multiple of them, that contain enough info to prove that they are congruent after doing a rotation. So we're going to use this picture right here to see if any of these are the rotation of this circled triangle. So the way that we can prove whether that was a rotation is we have to prove whether the triangles are congruent. So the way that we can prove that the triangles are congruent is by side, 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 side angle, side, angle, side angle, 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 side, or HL, hypotenuse leg. The only way that we can use hypotenuse leg is if we have a right angle, and since we don't have a right angle in this problem, we will not be using HL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first picture right here, and I'm going to see if that one is congruent according to one of those congruency postulates. Here we have an angle, a side, and a side. That is not one of our congruency postulates, so we cannot prove that that triangle is congruent after the rotation. Looking at picture number 2, we have an angle, a side, and an angle. And if I look at this picture, I have 3 arc marks in my original picture, and I have 3 here on H prime. I have 3 tick marks between H and I, and the same is true with the original picture. I have 1 arc mark on I prime, and I have 1 on I. So therefore, this triangle would prove that they are congruent after the rotation. Looking at the third picture, I have an angle and an angle. That is all the information I have, and that is not enough information to prove that the triangles are congruent. So number 3 would not work. Looking at picture number 4, I have a side, an angle, and a side. And those match up with my picture, G prime to H prime. That side has 2 tick marks, and so does our original picture, GH. H prime, that angle, has 3 arc marks, and so does angle H. And side H prime, I prime has 3 tick marks, and so does HI in the original. And that is a congruency postulate, side, angle, side. So therefore, picture number 4 would also be congruent after a rotation.